Meaning of gaudily.
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 Gaudily. The word gaudily is an adverb that describes something done in a showy or overly ornate manner. It indicates that something is excessively flashy or flamboyant in its appearance. When something is done gaudily, it often suggests a lack of taste or discernment. It can be used to describe clothing, decorations, or behavior that is ostentatious and attention-seeking. The result of doing something gaudily can be a negative one, as it can come across as tacky or over the top. In short, acting or dressing gaudily can imply a lack of sophistication or refinement.